So let's trade crypto arbitrage trading. And as I said in the previous video, that crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a low price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So I told you, you can start with a capital of at least 50 or 200 USDTs, and you trade between Binance and ranquilly.com. So go to your browser right now, search ranquilly.com. I told you to register and verify your account, and for those who want free classes, make sure you click the link in my bio and you join free arbitrage classes. So after that, I will be receiving our assets in our internal wallet. That means we'll be trading crypto arbitrage trading, and we receive in our Ranquilly account. So let's get to it. Remember, we are trading crypto arbitrage trading, not any other trade. So our arbitrage opportunity today we'll be selling at least let's sell at least 100 or 500 USDTs because we have the money. We'll be selling to this guy, Blockswap X. He's verified, as you can see, and here he's verified, and he is rated 96% release rate. So that is a very good crypto arbitrage trader. So I'll be trading with 1,000, and also I'll be making a withdrawal direct to my Binance account. So after that, I'll enter my Ranquilly address because I'll be receiving in my Ranquilly. So let me get you back how you get your address. You just come to deposit. You select the coin that you are trading. So if you are trading BTC, you enter BTC. If you are trading Ethereum, you enter Ethereum. And if you are trading Solana, you click on Solana. Remember, what we want, it's just the address. So you click on USDT. For me, I'll be trading USDT. You click continue, you enter amount, let's say 200 or any amount. You can enter 60, any amount. Then you click on continue, you copy the address. So let me copy mine. So you copy the address, then you go back to P2P arbitrage. As I told you, we are selling. Then you click on the best rate. So let's sell with a rate of 1.14. It is Blockswap again. So we'll be trading arbitrage with 500 USDTs. So as I said, it is an internal arbitrage opportunity. So I'll click on internal and paste my Ranquilly address. You can see enter your Ranquilly USDT deposit address. So I just paste the address here. Then I review. You can see it is escrow protected, so that means you can't lose your funds, and arbitrage is always safe. So this trade will give us 558 USDTs, where 500 is our capital and 58 is our take profit. So that means there is something called P2P fee. It is normal in arbitrage trading of 11.40. So it has a rate, a standard rate. So make sure you are conversant with that. So I'll confirm my trade, and it will be running for at least 30 minutes. So sometimes if the merchant is online, he can pay very early, but if he's offline, it can take a maximum of 30 minutes, and if he doesn't pay, you can dispute the trade and you get your funds back. So let's make a withdrawal because we are waiting for 50 USDTs. So let's withdraw 50 from this arbitrage opportunity as we are waiting for our funds. So in withdrawal, just go to your Binance, you click on deposit assets, you choose your currency that you want to withdraw, then you copy the you click on the address, the network, then you copy the address, you go back to your Ranquilly, you come and click on enter wallet address. So you paste the address, then you enter amount. Remember, there is 2 USDT for transaction fees, so we'll be expecting 50 from this withdrawal. And remember, it falls under arbitrage trading. So we'll wait for some minutes as we are checking our trade, then we know how it will go. I'll show you everything, and if you've been paid, I will make a release as we see, and we check after the arbitrage trading has stopped. So let's stick to that. I'll pause the video as we wait for the funds to arrive in our Binance of this withdrawal, which takes around 2 to 15 minutes maximum. So let's wait. So guys, I've got a confirmation that my withdrawal has been sent to my Binance account. You can see now I have 50, I had 0. If you are very keen at first of this arbitrage trade, so we'll just come on withdrawals and refresh, then check if it has been approved. So you can see it has been approved. You just check on the date and the time and my local time. So let's go to our arbitrage trade, which is a P2P arbitrage. Then we check if it has been paid. Also no. So it has been paid right, it has been paid right now. So this is a full tutorial, arbitrage full tutorial that you shouldn't miss, because it has a tutorial how to deposit, how to get crypto arbitrage opportunities, how to make profits with crypto arbitrage trading, and also how to withdraw after making profits with crypto arbitrage trading. So if you get it, make sure you comment crypto arbitrage, and maybe sometime I can start giving you free funding for arbitrage only. So let's release our arbitrage trade, and that's it. Then I will go on transaction and see how our arbitrage went. So it is only on transaction history. You can see a withdrawal, then there should be something like P2P. I think it is completing. Let's see if we'll get to see that. Yeah, you can see here P2P made today with the time it is 16:46, and my local time profits made 558. So minus the capital of 500, this arbitrage opportunity gave us a profit of 58 USDTs. Remember, you can trade this not once, not twice, but more times and make more profits. But in a day, trade at least 2 times. Then you will thank me after making profits